Are you in the laser industry and looking to learn more about the different types of laser cleaning machines? Look no further than this informative video. In this video, we will explore the different types of laser cleaning machines available in the market and their differences. First up, we have the MOPA fiber laser cleaning machine. This machine uses a master oscillator power amplifier (MOPA) technology, which allows for greater control over the laser beam's parameters. It can adjust the pulse duration, frequency, and power levels to suit different cleaning applications, such as removing rust, paint, oil, glue and other contaminants from metal, wooden, glass and other non-metal surfaces. With over 21 different pulse widths and frequency settings, MOPA Laser Cleaner is a precise cleaning solution that without damaging the substrate, and it's the most widely used laser cleaning machines. Next, we have the CW Fiber Laser Cleaner. This machine uses a continuous wave (CW) technology, which produces a steady and strong average laser light. The CW Fiber Laser Cleaner is ideal for removing thin layers of contaminants from surfaces, such as paint, oxide, and oil. Laser Hour from 1000W to 3000W, 800G Portable Clean Head, CW Series is the most efficiency laser cleaner till now. Finally, we have the Multimode Fiber Laser Cleaner. This is for mold and huge equipment cleaning machines, and mostly power is from 500W to 2000W. So, what are the differences between these machines? The main difference is the effective beam on substrate. The MOPA Fiber Laser Cleaner has greater control over the laser beam's parameters, which makes it more versatile and suitable for a wider range of cleaning applications. The CW Fiber Laser Cleaner produces a strong laser light, which makes it ideal for delicate surfaces and thin layers of contaminants. The Multimode Fiber Laser Cleaner has a bigger single pulse energy and has a flat top light, which makes it more suitable for mold and other precise instrument. In addition to the different types of laser cleaning machines, there are also different power levels available. The power level of a laser cleaning machine determines its cleaning speed and effectiveness. Higher power levels are suitable for cleaning thicker layers of contaminants, while lower power levels are suitable for delicate surfaces and thin layers of contaminants. In conclusion, understanding the different types of laser cleaning machines and their differences is essential for anyone in the laser industry. Whether you are looking to remove rust, paint, or other contaminants from surfaces, there is a laser cleaning machine that can meet your needs. So, if you want to learn more about the different types of laser cleaning machines and their differences, be sure to watch this informative video and contact CHIHALO Laser.